So in a very strange way, we do not always know what we do.
Jetzt ist es soweit, also jetzt kann es nicht mehr zurück.
I start to realize they are very different from all the architects I know.
Herzog and Meuron follow suit. Their work is creative, unique, and unorthodox. From surface texture to form, their buildings are unified and extraordinary. One of their first well-known commissions was the Dominus Winery in Napa Valley, California.
So
The
in a
building uses an
very
unlikely
strange way,
gabion
we do
welded
not
wire
always
and
know what
stone
we
mesh
do.
system for the exterior veneer, essentially stone-filled baskets. The same kind of thing you might see along a highway as a sound barrier. Their forum building in Barcelona or the Dion Memorial Museum in San Francisco use massive homogeneous form as a distinguishing design element. Their Prada store in Tokyo or Alliance Arena in Munich, although very different, explore the boundary.
I am Jacques Herzog, and we are sitting here together at the studio of Herzog in Basel. Very Spanish, very Madrid style building. We liked the gravity of the building, but unfortunately inside the space was not what the Caixa needed. They needed a much larger volume. The other problem was that the building was nice, but it was like reflecting an old image of Madrid. The narrow little streets, very remote, very nice as a piece, but totally unpublic. The first idea was to really free the building, to make it visible, to make it accessible from Paseo del Prado. And then the other thing was that we needed much more space, and we knew that we had to go higher, but we also had to go in the ground. And we did not want to just build on top and build in the earth, but we want to somehow visualize the underworld and the upper world. So we wanted to create a new space between the street and the building. That's why we chopped off the brick building. And by doing this, we did not weaken the Mediodía power station, but we wanted to make it more powerful. And at the same time, we had this space underneath. At the same time, you could access the building easily. At the same time, you had a kind of a sign. This is the Caixa Forum. At the same time, you made it attractive and open. And this piece of nature, if you like, which is visible in the topography, in the staircase, is also visible in the muro vegetal, no? in the vertical garden. I've tested many different ways to add a volume on the top. We wanted to have a material which was like brick but different. That's why how we found the rusty steel, the Cortain steel, which I think was interesting because it allowed us also to perforate it, to add a different light condition than in the current building. These cuts into the top crown of the building are an immediate reaction from the roofscape around it. We are very happy, of course, with the fact that the building is so popular.